all over. Choose anyone you want.
Wait, hold on, Jen. We're going ice fishing in Cascade, Idaho. Are you excited, Johnny?
And this is my first time ice fishing.
That's true. That's you. That's her first time ice fishing.
This is my second time.
That's his second time. Our second time too.
You're not filming.
The cold of the season. Oh, cool! Look at that.
Just a hook and a worm.
So what
Just a hook and a worm?
Just a hook and a worm.
Oh wow.
And so you don't get cold when you're waiting forever to catch a bite, if that ever's going to happen. You need to do some exercise routine. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. What do you want to show me? Oh, look at how that string is. It's all frozen. Johnny, show me how you're doing the hole.
It's really hard work.
It's really hard work.
Yeah.
You got our first hole there, but we still didn't put a line. He's working on the line. We hope to have some success today. Be able to fish something. These other people just got here too. They haven't fished anything yet. There's people with that little tent over there. They just started as well. They haven't fished anything yet. And it's a very foggy day in this big Cascade Lake. It's just all fog. And we are on the lake. Just gonna start ice fishing while Johnny's trying to make another hole there so we can start fishing. Let's go see how he's doing.
I might need some help.
I can try to help you.
It's really deep. Oh,
Watch out. Just don't step on the hole like Johnny did when he was little.
Yeah.
Because Johnny fell in one of these holes when he was 4.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, he was 4 years old when that happened.
I thought he was younger than you.
Nope, he was 4. Actually, he was 3. He was 3 years old, yeah. No, that's not how you do it, Johnny.
Yeah.
I'll help you. Hold on.
Oh, I got a bite.
You did?
I actually got a bite.
What do you think about my snow angel, guys?
It's a small bite, though.
Come on. That is so beautiful. Nice.
Okay, first one going in.
Yeah. So this is our first time.
Ice fishing in Cascade.
Yeah.
Last time we did it at Wild Horse Reservoir in Nevada.
Okay, let's put it right there. See what happens.
Okay, let's wait now. What do you say? Next time we get a gas one?
Yeah. That is the idea.
Because look how deep it is. And we're still not cutting it. We were lucky. We found a hole that had a very thin layer of ice and we broke it through, and we were, because that was an old hole. So we started fishing with that one already, and we're trying to do this one manually, and it's taking forever. I found another hole right there where that chair is, so we put another one there. I'm glad I found those holes that were already here, because it takes forever to do this. It's not as easy as it looks. But we're almost there, right, puppy?
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. 2, 3. Okay. You almost broke it. Whoa! You did it! Yay! That was some manpower there. We all helped, right?
Yeah. And I broke that.
You broke that thing? Well, I think you just have to screw it on.
Yes!
Now we got another hole. Yay!
Puppy, I really want to switch. I want to switch worms. They're too big.
Hello. Still nothing yet. We're trying. We saw other YouTube videos and we saw they had lures kind of like this with some just worms at the end, and they were catching some good stuff, so we're hoping we can do the same. You take that one? Hey, the fog is lifting. We can actually see farther away. You gonna help Rosie? Rosie is fishing on that hole over there. And how are you doing, Mr. Johnny? Yeah? Well, I hope we catch something too. Our neighbor fishermen's here. They caught something. You got some perch?
Can we film that?
Oh, cool. Look at that.
Just a hook and a worm.
So what
Just
are
a
you
hook and a
using?
worm?
Just a hook and a worm.
Oh wow.
And it's 8 feet deep.
8, okay.
Yeah, it's only 8 feet down there.
Wow.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can we pick it? Wait.
Maybe 2 pounds.
Beautiful one.
Wait. Johnny, you're in the way. Wait.
Do you know hold it?
Yeah, Johnny, you hold it.
Watch other hook. Yeah.
Oh, that hook's nice, so it shouldn't hurt you.
Okay, Johnny, look at her here.
So,
Oh, very nice.
he's your dad or?
Yeah, the one in the brown.
Show it out.
Okay.
Show it out.
He said you got perch.
Some perch.
Yeah, I got 2 perch.
Oh.
Rosie, show us the fish.
You can ask, Johnny.
Can we
Yeah.
put fish in this spot too?
Yeah, you guys can use this hole. I'll move this over a little bit.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Alright, I'm gonna go get this hook out of him.
All over. Choose anyone you want.
Wait, hold on, Johnny. Nice.
Let's wait for it.
I can get it out.
Yeah, bring another one.
They just caught another one.
Hey.
Yeah, we should do just a hook and a worm. That's it.
but this one is different one. What kind? This is not
That's a rainbow trout.
the same that you got right there.
Yeah.
Except this one's more
Yeah,
bloody.
it's smaller.
Yeah.
Smaller than.
This cut.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to, when it's windy out, it jigs for you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
But I just bought those two this year. I don't
Okay.
really like them.
Oh, do you
These
like
ones
it?
are, the simplest. It's like, and those are the ones we always catch them on. So
Yeah?
Okay, these are.
Oh, okay.
Another
That's
type.
Now we're gonna learn.
So this is 8 feet deep.
that one's
No,
that
this
one's
is 7.
7 feet.
Oh, okay. So when it pulls, it's just,
Yeah,
it just comes up. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Smile, Rosie.
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go get something to drink.
What does this say?
Tiger worms.
Play with some.
Let's go, yeah, because the Anna, let's go. Okay. We're gonna go get food. You guys better fish something while we're gone.
We will try. But
Okay.
bring something warm, like hot chocolate, coffee, or whatever.
Yeah. Feet are cold.
Feet are cold.
Well, just a little bit.
Maybe you can go to Subway.
Yeah, go to Subway.
Subway. I was hoping to go to this restaurant right here. What do you think?
To buy something there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Honey, if your feet start getting cold, you should go walk around.